Go, Mark!
Thank you, Miss Sheena. Good afternoon, everyone. To our guests, Board of Trustees, parents, teachers, audience, and to my fellow students. I am truly honored to accept the flower of appreciation. I promise to use the symbols to express gratitude and I promise to use the symbols to express gratitude and appreciation toward others. I am grateful for these symbols of appreciation and promise to use it with the utmost care and respect. Thank you.
Woo! Go, Mark!
Okay, thank you, Miss Sheena Luma